If you have an import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you tips and tricks step by step on how to purchase on 1688 without any agent. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to purchase on Chinese shopping app 1688 without using agents. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure I open up my 1688 shopping app right here. I'm going to open up my 1688 shopping app. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I purchase the item. But before we proceed to purchase of the item, so let me take you to my chat box with the supplier. So right here, I'm going to click on here to check out my chart. This is the supplier right here. So let me just click on that, and you can see. So you can see my chat with the supplier right here. So I have already made inquiry about the item if the item is eventually available. So and the seller told me that the item is available and I should go ahead and purchase the item. So these are the items right here. So I'm purchasing about 26 pieces of this product right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my cart right here. So for me to visit my cart, I have to click on here. So this is the item in my cart right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select the item. Then having selected the item, I need to click on here to proceed to checkout. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I need to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm the payment and enter my payment password. So here we go. So payment done successful. This simply means that we have purchased the item. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close the pump up. Then I need to visit my profile. For me to visit profile, I have to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the 3 different color right here of the item. So this is how to purchase an item from a single store, 3 different style, different color, as far as China importation without using agent is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business tutorial like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.